Hi, I just want to make this quick video. Ang dami ko kasing nababasa or napapanood sa social media na ginagamit nila yung term na Disney princesses dun sa mga anak ng mga corrupt politicians. I don't think that's the right term to use because the values that a Disney princess often portrayed are kind, brave, independent, loyal, and they also inspire their audiences with their stories. Disney princesses are heroes from various Disney animated films. And meron silang mga characteristics like empathy, perseverance, curiosity, creativity, and kindness. And in my opinion, yung mga anak ng mga corrupt politicians ay hindi karapat-dapat tawagin na Disney princess. Magbibigay ako ng example, si Mulan, di ba? Mulan embodies positive traits like strength and honor, and redefining the concept of princess by focusing on character rather than social status. She disguised herself as a man, right? Para lumaban sa army to save yung bansa niya. Gets nyo ba? So please stop calling these Disney princesses because they are not. Alright? Yun lang. Bye-bye.